In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create beautiful blueberry and vanilla bath bombs with vibrant blue and violet swirls. Start by adding 400 grams of bicarbonate of soda and 200 grams of citric acid to a clean mixing bowl. Using your hands, mix the powders together thoroughly until they're evenly combined. Next, gradually add 30 grams of polysorbate 80 in 3 stages, mixing well after each addition. This helps ensure the liquid is distributed evenly throughout the mixture. Once incorporated, slowly add 20 grams of blueberry and vanilla fragrance oil, mixing thoroughly between each addition. Adding the fragrance gradually helps prevent the mixture from activating too early. Continue mixing until the mixture holds together when squeezed in your hand, but still crumbles slightly when pressed. Now it's time to add some color. Divide the mixture evenly between 2 clean bowls, add PCD liquid dye violet to one bowl, and mix until the color is fully dispersed. Then add PCD liquid dye blue to the second bowl, and mix until evenly colored. To create your bath bombs, take a 70mm bath bomb mold and fill one half with alternating layers of the blue and violet mixtures until slightly overfilled. Repeat the process with the second half of the mold. Press both halves firmly together, then gently tap each side of the mold before carefully removing the bath bomb. Finally, leave your bath bombs to dry and harden for 24 hours. Once fully cured, they're ready to use, gift, or package for sale. And that's it. Your blueberry and vanilla bath bombs are complete.